Welcome to the unboxing of the A-Box James Bond Souvenir Special Edition goodies. The A-Box does things like this. I'm aware that they did Aliens from the movie. This is a James Bond one. So got this for Christmas and just getting around to opening up right now. So without further ado, let's see what we got in here. That's kind of cool. Alright then. Oh, cool A-Box kind of bag thing here. Tilt bag, I guess they're called. That's kind of cool. A-box.com. So keep an eye on their website. You know, James Bond is my #1 thing to look after. But anyway, there's the box. 007 in silver, and A-box.com at the bottom. Nice black, cool looking box. Kind of about the size of a shoebox. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so 007. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, cool. Okay, so pins. So let's start off with this one. There's Skyfall, and again, it's the pin type with an actual pin and a fastener. So I hope the camera's getting in on that. Focus, focus, focus. I won't do them all individually, but we got Skyfall, GoldenEye, Living Daylights, and trying to make out the others. There's Goldfinger in the middle, and well, anyway, there they all are. So hopefully that comes up in the video. This will be a travel mug. Let's see what color and everything it is. Oh, it's like one of those igloo kind of mugs. So good rubber grip around there, and 007 there. Clear top with a sippy part there. So there's that. And Aston Martin D keyring. So that's gold embossed. Hope that comes up. Oh, cool. It's a gold colored, nice weight to it too. DB9 or DB6 keyring, but again, good weight, and it's all gold, or at least gold looking. Okay, oh, cufflinks, cool. Alright, I do have a set of cufflinks already with 007 on them, but let's see what these are. Ah, nice. Spectra. Or Spectre. Again, I hope that's coming up in the definition I want it to. Okay, so there's that. Just put this in there for now. And what do we got here? Oh, it looks like a shoe polish can would be about that size, so you can figure out what kind of size that is. And what's it say in the back here? Coasters. Alright, so there you go, size of a coaster. Kind of a, I don't know, tinny with a cork base. So there's that. There's the Spectre. Stromberg Shipping Lines, Atlantis, 1977. And there's Drax Industries, 1979, so that would be Moonraker. Can't remember that one offhand. Spectre, of course, and I can't remember this one either offhand. I'll have to look that one up. If you know, please say in the comments. But there you go. So that's all of those posters. Again, nice 007 tin. Thanks. And finally, a nice 007 wrapping paper. Finally, the t-shirt. Okay, so the t-shirt's got Spectre on the front, or at least the logo. And that's it. No other 007 insignia or anything, but if you're a fan, you would know what that is. And there's one last thing in here, just a bit of cardboard with all the items in James Bond collector's box number 760. So that's about it. Again, I'm a Bond fan, and just had to get that. So hope you enjoyed, and keep an eye on that website for other memorabilia for movies that you may or may not like. If you don't like them, don't buy it. Bye.